Hey everyone, good morning. It's me, Dave. Thank you for taking time out of your day to join me today. We are on the Carnival Venezia. We are on day 9 of an 11-day Journeys cruise. I thought I would take a few moments to go over the laundry procedures. So it's about 9 a.m. right now. I just got our laundry together to leave out the front door. Some ships have you leave it like in the room, and then the steward will come and get it. Our steward wants us to leave it outside the door, which I don't know. I don't like that necessarily. There's been a lot of theft on this cruise this past week and a half or so. A lot of theft, so it's making me a little worried. But we did leave some bags out last week, and they were fine. So let's hope this is still the case. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys quickly the procedure, and it'll be hopefully helpful to a lot of you. So, all right, here we go. So first things first is you get to fill out these forms. You just need to have your name, the date, stateroom number, sign and sail, and then everything here is filled out. Each piece needs to be filled out, and it is $15 per bag. We are diamond, so we get free bags. Your platinum, you get, or we get unlimited as diamond. If you're platinum, you get between like 2 and 5 bags. It depends on how many days you're sailing. So once you get the forms filled out, once again here, you just put everything in these bags. You have the number of pieces on the sheet has to match what's in the bag. So we have 8 pieces in this particular bag. There will be 8 pieces on the sheet. There'll be 8 pieces in the bag. And then we always like to leave notes that say cold water, please. So here everything's filled out, put in there, and it's that easy. So this video was so easy, but it's something that a lot of folks ask about, so I thought I'd make it. And here are the extra bags. We guys get a few bags extra from the room steward just to have. So that's it. We've never done any of the the fancy items on here, like the dry. We don't do the dry cleaning because that's not included with us. But there is dry cleaning as an option, and normally the clothing is brought back to you within about a day or so. We did it last week, and it was brought back to us like the next day, which I would say is definitely not common, especially that we're on a Journeys cruise. So that's definitely wasn't expected. But the next day drop off was a really nice surprise. But I would plan on it being at least a day or two out, just to give yourself a little bit of wiggle room. So that is it. That's easy. That's laundry explained. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Have you done laundry? Do you do laundry? How much clothing do you pack? Do you even need to do laundry? So being that we're diamond, we pack about 5 days worth of clothing for pretty much any size trip. So right now we're at 11-day Journeys cruise, packed for 11 days. Laundry is perfect for that. So that's it. Thank you for stopping by today. And make sure you hit like, follow, hit the ding bell thing. That way you won't miss any videos. We have a lot coming up on the next, well, from now until about July, September. We have about 16 cruises or so booked. So you don't want to miss any videos. So ding that bell and all that kind of stuff. All right. Have a good day. We'll see you soon. So we just got our laundry back today. We sent it yesterday morning. So this is how it comes back in a bag with your tag. Perfect. Yeah, I know you're all set to pack it and head out tomorrow.